how to make a Snapchat filter for an event in some seconds. So in order to do so, you may follow this step. Head over to a browser, for example Chrome, and type in create Snapchat filter in the search bar. Once you go ahead and type in that, you'll be getting different options available. You may head over to create.snapchat.com, this one right here, and head over to the website, and there you'll be finding this. If not this, what you can do is you can look for the option, the three odds and the lines at the top, and go to Lens Studio. After going over to that, you will be taken to the space. Now from here, what you can do is you can go ahead and download the Snap AR, or there are different alternatives provided by them. There is this Lens Studio available as well. You may use any of those in order to take the AI assistance in order to learning materials, so you can get an unblocked development of the Snapchat filter that you're trying to look for. After that is done, you may simply go ahead and upload it, and once that is done, your Snapchat filter should be created very easily. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.